The DJI Mini 2 came on the market in November 2020. The Mini 3 has been released in May 22, so less than 2 years later. Of course there are some differences, such as motion sensors, active track and 4K in 50 FPS, but is that worth the upgrade? And I wondered, can you actually see a difference in the quality of the shots? Do we really have to buy a new gadget every year, or was the last one good enough? That's why I made this video. I put some shots in it and I won't tell which drone they were made with. Can you see it? Let me know in the comments. Were they all made with the Mini 2, the Mini 3 or both of them? Enjoy the footage.